Your dryer vent duct is the leading cause of nearly 3,000 residential fires this year. Despite this, most ducts have never been cleaned. A termite colony can spend years inside your home's structural framing without leaving a visible trace, and by the time you find out, the damage is already serious. Here are 7 maintenance mistakes counting down to the most costly, and at least 2 or 3 of these are likely to apply to your house right now. Number 7, dirty HVAC filters. Think about what you spend on heating and cooling each year. Whatever that number is, take 15% of it. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, that's the added cost of a dirty air filter, never mind the health impacts. Replace your HVAC filters at least every 90 days. It's one of the lowest cost maintenance tasks compared to what it protects and the money it saves. Number 6, clogged gutters. Gutters have the important job of moving water away from your house. When they clog, the water goes down the fascia, siding, foundation, and into the soil around your home. Over time, that means rot, erosion, and water in your basement or crawl space. Unless you're walking around your property in a rainstorm, it can sometimes be hard to notice that your gutters are clogged and overflowing. You should clean your gutters at the very least once a year in the late fall. If you can do it yourself, great. Otherwise, pay a couple $100s to have it done professionally. The damage it prevents costs far more to fix. Number 5, ignored plumbing leaks. A running toilet, a dripping faucet, a slow leak under your sink that you haven't noticed. According to the EPA, the average household wastes nearly 10,000 gallons per year from leaks alone. That adds 10% to the average water bill. Fix the toilet and faucet as soon as you notice it. Don't put it off. The water waste is continuous. And check under your sinks monthly while the faucet's running so you can catch leaks early before damage spreads to ceilings, floors, and walls. The next mistake adds to your energy bill every single month, and there's a good chance you've never addressed it thoroughly. Number 4, failed sealing. The Department of Energy estimates that air leaking through gaps in a typical home adds up to the equivalent of leaving a window open around the clock and accounts for 25 to 40% of your heating and cooling bill. You can address this with caulk and weather stripping, but there's a more systematic starting point: home energy assessments, which some utility companies even offer for free, and where specialized equipment is used to find exactly where air is escaping. You get a written report with a prioritized repair list, which you can hand off to your handyman. So call your utility company first and ask. If they don't offer it, the DOE maintains a searchable directory of certified auditors at energy.gov. The next item carries a different kind of risk, one measured not just in dollars. Number 3, dryer vent lint buildup. Most homeowners clean the lint trap after every load. Almost no one cleans the duct that runs from the dryer through the wall to the outside of your home. A simple check: go outside while the dryer is running and find the exterior vent hood. The flap should open freely and you should feel strong, warm airflow. Weak flow, or a flap that barely moves, means the duct is restricted. According to the Department of Energy, when the duct is clogged, you have up to 30% longer drying time per cycle. And more seriously, according to the National Fire Protection Association, roughly 2,900 residential fires per year are classified as a failure to clean the vent duct as the leading cause. Annual professional cleaning runs $100 to $200 and takes under an hour. If you haven't done this recently, this is where to start. Number 2, minor roof leaks. A roof leak that gets ignored rarely stays small. Water enters, saturates attic insulation, and begins working on the structural framing. Mold can also follow if airflow is restricted. What started as a missing shingle becomes a much larger repair. Nearly 40% of U.S. homes have roofs in moderate to poor condition. So have your roof inspected at least every few years and after every significant storm. The cost of an inspection and small repairs is trivial relative to what it catches. Now, most damage gives a warning before it becomes serious, but number 1 doesn't. Number 1, no termite inspection. Termite colonies can spend years inside a home's framing before showing any visible signs. And by the time a homeowner notices, the damage is usually structural, meaning beams, joists, and load-bearing walls have been compromised. Homeowners insurance almost universally excludes termite damage, classifying it as a preventable maintenance failure. Whatever the repair cost, the homeowner pays all of it. Despite that, only 27% of homeowners have ever had a professional termite inspection, according to a 2024 Harris Poll survey. An annual inspection typically costs under $100. Be there for it and ask the inspector to show you any evidence before they write it up. The cost of addressing these early is low. The cost of ignoring them is high. Start by picking the one that you know applies to your house and have been putting off. Do it this week. Which item on this list surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if these kinds of research-backed videos are useful, check out this one, covering the renovations with the highest return on investment, or check out this video with the renovations that lose money despite what contractors tell you. I'm Justin Braithwaite. Subscribing means you won't miss the next one. I put out new videos like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.